can only sleep at night. Damn it. Alright.
I have to make sure that this cannot be seen. So wait a minute.
Oh yeah, let's just keep on building more effing trees.
Oh my god.
What the hell?
God.
Oh yeah, because that doesn't look obscene at all. What you doing down there, Nolan? Oh, build more trees, I see. Move.
Yeah,
Oh,
tree.
come over here.
I have trees growing on top of trees. Minecraft logic. What's up, girl?
Here. No, sit. Why would you hit me?
Because you were in my way, I guess. I don't know.
Alright, sit right there. Don't move. Here. I'm gonna go collect more seeds.
You know what makes a lot of sense in this game?
What?
Watch this. Ready? And by a lot of sense, I mean what?
None. We are cheating, though. You know that, right?
No, we're not. We're just exploiting the game.
Not applying any kind of real physics whatsoever. Oh, okay, that's cool. What the hell? It's just floating in midair.
Tree.
Now you have to build. Now you have to build an actual tree underneath, Nolan. Yeah, right there. What the hell are you doing?
Minecraft logic, duh.
Derp.
Actually, no, it needs to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Here? Nope. Huh. 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 Huh.
Yeah, here.
Cool. Yeah.
Yup. There you go.
Tree.
That looks good.
Tree. Wait, now we
And
need
it's not-
now we need one right here too.
Fine, but I'm going to Mysterious Island real fast.
This is the mysterious island.
Oh yeah, we have wheat growing, by the way.
Ugh, I used all my bone meal.
God damn it, I'm gonna get there when it turns nighttime. See what happens when you distract me, Nolan.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry.
Boom, tree. Boom, tree.
What do you know about growing trees, hater?
Yeah. Tell me about it. Fucking forest everywhere.
They're gonna be like, holy shit, there's a fucking forest out in the middle of nowhere! And then they'll look up to the side and farm. So guys, why is there a farm out there? Ah, shits and tickles.
Shits and tickles. We need a bridge.
Yeah, we do.
God, I hate when this doesn't break and it takes like a day and a half. So
You too?
yeah, me too. I like how our house is just completely engulfed in trees.
Ben's gonna come back and be like, what the hell did you all do? Or he's gonna join along.
Nothing!
Who knows?
Nothing, I swear to God! I can make 2 fishing poles. I can make a bow and arrow. You know which is the better of the two, right?
A bow and arrow?
Fishing pole. Bone meal? Yeah, got more.
What are you gonna do about bone meal, hater?
I'm gonna grow her stuff. so our crops can grow efficiently.
Our crops are growing efficiently enough. How much bone meal did you get?
A lot.
Alright, well,
Harvest.
no, you harvest.
I don't
Oh wait, hold
have
up,
the
I'll
hoe. I don't
harvest.
have the hoe.
Oh wait, hold up, I'll take care of harvesting.
Alright, well then I just had seeds and I'll put the weed away, you take the seeds. Right behind you.
Alright. You just pick a lot of the stuff up, I'll break it, and then whatever you have left over, just give it to me and I'll give you the Oh, okay, right there.
Alright, here's that and that.
Hold on. Can we get rid of this? Because this looks really ghetto right here. This.
That right there?
Yeah.
Crap. Yeah, sure, bud.
Right.
Time to make balls in my mouth and then go out here and balls in my mouth. You know what I mean?
Huh?
Say, you know what I mean, Jellybean?
Yup.